Here we have a program set up that will automatically measure different parameters on a grid of die. These parameters include the average, maximum, and minimum heights, the rotation angle, and the 3D angle of each individual die on a substrate. The program uses a built-in feature finding algorithm to automatically isolate and determine the X and Y location and rotation of each die. SPC limits are set within the program itself in order to quickly determine which die are within spec. In this case, for rotation angle, we have the SPC limits set to plus or minus 1.3 degrees. This means that any die that is greater than 1.3 degrees or less than negative 1.3 degrees will show up as a bad measurement, indicating that this particular die is out of spec. We can now go ahead and run the program. This program is using an already scanned file to analyze. This is to simulate the software capabilities without doing an actual full scan. The results are saved automatically and can be in a variety of formats and layouts, such as text file, CSV, or XML. If we go to our rotation angle analysis, we are provided with a quick overview of the results for each die. We can see the calculated rotation angle along with the X and Y locations. We can also immediately see which die are out of spec, indicated by the bad measurement result. Now we want to take a closer look at one of the die. For instance, this die here has a rotation angle of 0.000 degrees. By double clicking on it, we can zoom right in on that die. We can also easily zoom out to see more of the surrounding area. The red cursor on the die is the measurement ROI, and the green cursor on the substrate creates the reference plane that measurement is based off of. This will allow for the results to be relative to the substrate nearest to the individual die, thus eliminating any potential warpage that would affect the analysis. As we can see with this die, there is very little rotation. So now we can check one of the die that is not within spec. Here we can see a rotation of 2.2234 degrees. So we can click on this for a closer look. And we can clearly see that this die is much more rotated than the previous die. Thank you for taking the time to review this short demonstration. If you are interested in more details or would like to discuss your metrology requirements, please feel free to reach out to us at info@cybertechnologies.com.